I mean, fuck, I like pills, I like drugs, I like getting money, I like strippers, I like to fuck, I like day drinking and day parties in Hollywood, I like doing Hollywood shit, snorted Hollywood. What can I say? The shit works, it feels good, then my self-worth's at an all-time low.
Okay, y'all, so we're starting off with our e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Y'all already know the deal. Y'all, I have a boogie. I'm actually super excited for this look because honestly, I'm obsessed with like color liner lately. And I just feel like it's gonna look so freaking good.
W's in the shot.
Okay, so I literally washed my face with CeraVe and then I put on this Alpha Butyrine, I think it's called, this rice like serum that I got from TikTok shop. It's like a Korean brand. You guys, like my goal is literally to get the scarring away from my skin. Ugh, I like do not love it. It's not like, it's just not giving. Like this is just not giving. Like the hair eats, and then it's like if I want to go out with a natural face, it's like like I just feel like strawberry freckles aren't my thing anymore, but it's okay. I'm gonna love myself through this, you guys. But like, see, the skin is like, it's healthy, she's supple, she's moisturized, and she is ready for a quick beat down. So let's get into it. Okay, now if you watch me, you know I love this. This is the NYX The Marshmallow Setting Spray. We're just gonna spray this everywhere. This will give us a good foundation for all of the products to really stick. Okay, so before we start on brows, I like to make sure that they are literally like spotless, like a product, because it's just best to not have a bunch of oil on your brows. So you really just want to make sure that there's no oil on there. I'm going in with this Music Flower Freeze Brow Shaping Wax, okay? And we are going to shape these brows. Y'all know I love to tweeze my brows like this, you guys. Like I told you guys, I have like really sparse brows, but lately I've just been really loving them. I used to hate them growing up, but I feel like my face really grew into them. So we're just gonna brush all of the hairs up. Don't be afraid, just brush all the hairs up. You want them to look just like this. And then you wanna shape them like that. Boom. That right there, boom. Perfect. Now we're going to let this dry. Next is the lip stain. We're gonna go in with Clover. The packaging is so cute. I just feel like it's giving like,
why is everything chrome?
It's cut, it's chic, okay? Carefully. Okay, so now while we're doing the brows, this is going to dry, and I feel like the wax is like basically dry now, so let's go ahead and just pop that on. Okay, y'all, the brows are done. Now let's take off the lip stain. Let's take off the lip stain. It really, I'm just gonna rub it in. I'm still gonna like draw it on. It's kind of crazy. Okay, so Doechii looks like she has a red like eyeshadow, like that's just kind of right here. So it's like a smoky red wing with red lashes. So we're gonna use this Give Me Romance palette, and we're gonna use this color Roses right here. Something I always have in my makeup bag is tape, because we always want that eyeshadow and liner to be sharp, nice and sharp. Like an inch worth of tape and put it right. Okay, that's good. Yeah. First and foremost, make sure there is no creases on your lid. Like, I hate creasing. If you know me, you know I hate creasing. I hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it. Okay, I don't like it. It looks ugly. Really just gonna take what's left of this powder and set my eyes in place. Okay, so going in with the shade Roses, we are going to literally just focus it like as close to the lash line as possible. And we're just gonna do that for both eyes, okay? And you see how it's like kind of curvy right here? You wanna really go up with the shadow right here. Like that's gonna look so good. And the key is to use a brush that has a super sharp angle to where you can really control where the shadow is going. That's literally it for the eye look, y'all. Like that was easy. And so it's not so harsh, I'm literally just gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm just gonna like lightly fluff out the top of that, just so that the line is not so harsh and it kind of like smokies out. That makes sense. sense, you guys. It's not a word, but it's okay. We're gonna use that today. Okay, so I'm literally using red lipstick for the mascara because I literally don't have like red mascara. So I'm just gonna take a spoolie and I'm gonna put red lipstick on it. Just like this. I'm just gonna put it on the lashes, y'all. That's cute. I think that is such a cute and subtle look. I'm starting to think she had falsies on, y'all, because like my lashes are red, but it's not like, well, no, you can see it's red, but like, you know what I mean? Y'all know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Tell me. I think it's cute though. Okay, now let's do a tape reveal. This is gonna look so good. I cannot wait. Like, yes, what? What are you saying? Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Like, hi. Okay, so for my foundation, y'all know lately I've been mixing these two Fit Me foundations from Maybe It's Maybelline, which is the color 355 and 310. Let's just mix those. Okay, so this is the mixing of, I just had like a brain fart, I don't know, but like look how this mixes so nicely, you guys. Look at that. It's like perfect. Y'all see that? That is eating down. I'm not gonna put foundation under my eyes because we're gonna put concealer right there and we don't want our stuff to start looking cakey, you know? Okay, so once all the foundation is on, take a cute little beauty blender. This one has already been soaked in water. You wanna make sure your beauty blender is a little damp, okay? And you're just going to pat, 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 all around. Don't go under the eyes. We're putting concealer under there anyway. Okay, another trick, you guys, make sure you bring your foundation lightly. Like I'm literally like doing like this, like very lightly, bringing it from my nose under the brow, just to make to where it's that, see from the difference from this to this, it's a lot more of a gradient on this side. Okay, and also right here, you wanna make sure there's makeup. Okay, so here, watch, very lightly. Literally just use the little tip and you're gonna carry that foundation like that. So it's more of a gradient, okay? Because we don't want it to look choppy. You don't want anything looking choppy. Everything needs to be perfectly blended. Perfectly. Going in with our light yellow concealer, we are going to do the under eyes, okay? Really dot the concealer in the corner here. Once we have all of the concealer, oh my God, y'all, almost forgot cream blush. Almost forgot. We're gonna go in with our Hyundai Cream Mousse Blush in the color 1. I'm gonna take this angled blush brush and I'm going to spread that cream blush. Just gonna blend it out a little bit. I should have did this before I did the concealer, but hey, it's okay. Now we're gonna spray again with the setting spray. Spray again. Okay, and we're gonna let that dry. Once this dries, we're gonna blend this out and I'll be back. Okay, once you're done blending the concealer out, you wanna take the tip and carefully make sure there's no creases in your eye. Y'all, I need a new one so bad. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Laura Mercier baking powder. Okay, we just set. Now we're going to bake powder on your sponge. Tap it. I'm not gonna do it on here because there's foundation everywhere. And then we're gonna bake, you guys. Okay, so I'm like fixing the lip liner because it was looking crazy, honestly. Okay, so now that it's been a few minutes, we're gonna take our Fit Me in the color 360 Mocha. So I use this kind of like a contour to bring color back to my face. And we're just gonna use that to like dust the setting or the baking powder off. Really like focus it like on my chin area, kind of like up here, on the nose. Okay, because this is like a red tone makeup, I'm gonna only use this peachy blush right here. I don't wanna go into the purples or the pinks. And I'm just gonna add some more blush. We love blush. You always wanna look flush. You always wanna look like someone's complimenting you, right? You always wanna look like you're ready to accept a compliment. So that is my motto. That is why I love blush. It's like, oh, thank you. You know, you like get all rosy and you get all flushed and cute. Okay. Like that. Now I really want this to be like a, I was like, girl, did this just transfer? Hold up. Just gonna have to deal with it. Y'all see like messed up, it's whatever. So I'm gonna do like the siren part of the eye. And what I do is I kind of like angle my eye in a way where I know I can like focus the product where I want it. But I'm gonna have to time lapse this, like I'm gonna mess up. Okay, so I did that with my NYX Liquid Epic Wear eyeliner, and now I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop Cloud 9 palette to tight line my under eyes, okay? And tight line, starting from here. Mascara on the bottom lashes always, using e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara. Now we are going to spray our matte finish NYX finishing spray everywhere. Honestly, y'all, I was gonna do lipstick, but I was like, I'm just gonna put Aquaphor and I'll just be back with the finished look. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I gotta go, so I love you so much. Make sure you guys comment below what other celebrity look you want to see next. Thank you for listening, watching, and existing. I'm Ariel. Until we meet again. Bye.